So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve a auxiliary equation, differential equation which has repeated roots. So we have here an example: 4d cubed plus 4d squared plus d times y is equals to 0. So first again we will change d into m. So this will be 4m cubed plus 4m squared plus m is equals to 0. So we will just factor this out. So this will be m times 4m squared plus 4m plus 1 is equals to 0. So if you factor this, the result will be like this. So next is we will factor out this polynomial. So this will be 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. So the root of these factors will be, the value of m here will be m is equals to negative 1/2, same as the second one. So our first root is, the first value of our root here is m is equals to 0. So our m sub 1 will be 0, and our m sub 2 and our m sub 3 is just the same, which have a negative 1/2. So our m sub 2 is negative 1/2, and our m sub 3 is also negative 1/2. So the general solution for this differential equation will be y is equals to c sub 1 e raised to 0x, since the root of our first, so since our first root is 0, so this will be 0x, plus c sub 2 e raised to our second root is negative 1/2, plus c sub 3. Since they have the same roots, we will add here an x times e raised to negative 1/2 x. Sorry, this will be 1/2 x. So we'll just simplify. So e raised to 0x is just equal to 1. So this will be our y is equals to c1 plus, since they have the same e raised to negative 1/2 x, we can isolate this e raised to negative 1/2 x times c2 plus c3 x. So this will be our general solution for our differential equation. So we have here another example. Number 9 is d cubed plus 3d squared plus 3d plus 1 times y is equals to 0. So again, we will just change d into m. So this will be m cubed plus 3m squared plus 3m plus 1 is equals to 0. So in getting the roots of this differential equation, we will use synthetic division. So this will be 1, the constant of our first term, 1, positive 1, positive 3, positive 3, and positive 1. So we will use trial and error in synthetic division. So first we will use negative 1. So bring down 1, negative 1, this will be 2, negative 2, this will be positive 1, and negative 1 plus is equals to 0. So next is, this will be m squared plus our constant is 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. So in this polynomial, we can simply factor this out. This will be, it will just m plus 1 times m plus 1 is equals to 0. So the roots of these factors will be m sub 2 is equals to negative 1, and This is m sub 3 is equals to negative 1. So we have already our first root, negative 1. So our roots in this differential equation, our three roots is all the same, which is negative 1. So our general solution for this differential equation will be C1 plus C2x plus C3x squared times e raised to negative x. So this will be our general solution for this differential equation.